kanyang pagkalulong sa droga. Dahil parehas pala silang mag-asawa.
Now, this video is not about politics. Dili ni siya pampolitika. Pero ang video nga inyong nakita is one of the example sa mga worst case scenarios nga mo ang gaka-encounter sa mo ang mga pasyente. Wherein the brother, the sister, or the wife and the husband, or anyone in the family, no, are involved in drugs. Ngano man? Ngano one of the worst scenarios man? Because if they are both engaged in drugs, posible jud kaayo nga mag-push sila each other to the same boat. In other words, walay direction but same goal of being addicted to the substance. However, this is also the reason why gaabot me nga naa sa rehab center. This is the reason why there is rehabilitation. Para makorek na mo ang perception, makorek na mo ang behavior, ma-address na mo ang addiction issue, and in hopes and in prayer na we will be able to reintegrate those people back to the community. Mura dyan na siya ang amuang angko sa rehab center.
Keep going.